Welcome to TermHub in 5 minutes, a quick overview of our terminology as a service platform. We believe the key to the success of our platform is its easy to use developer tools that allow for quick onboarding and API interactions with minimal effort. We've created this client SDK project on GitHub to provide examples and tutorials using a variety of different technologies to facilitate the use and understanding of TermHub's APIs. Now, if we look at the tutorials by language section, you'll see we have examples in Bash, Curl, and Postman collections. You'll also see we have examples in several of the more popular programming languages, such as Java, Python, and Go. And that we also have examples using the Fire API. Each of the language examples covers a set of simple yet common use cases to get a developer up to speed navigating the TermHub API. We've provided examples on authenticating to our servers and various examples of querying terminologies, concepts, and concept relationships. For this video, however, we focus on curl examples, but feel free to use the tool or language that best suits your needs. Before you get started, you need to have curl and JQ installed. We've provided links for both in case you don't already have them. You'll also need to set an environment variable called API URL. This environment variable points to the location of our TermHub servers. Now, before running the login commands, make sure you've gone to terminologyhub.com first to create an account. The username and password you've created while there will be the same used in the following commands. You can simply copy and paste these commands and replace the username and password with your own. When done, an environment variable will be created containing your authorization token needed for further access. For the first access to our TermHub service, let's try a simple request to retrieve all hosted terminologies. You can simply copy and paste this command. In response, you'll see the total number of terminologies returned, along with details for each, such as the name, release date, and version. To return the information on a specific terminology, we can just supply the terminology, abbreviation, publisher, and version. Another popular search is for achieving terminology concepts. For these, we provide a concept code in addition to the terminology information. In the response, you'll see that you receive the concepts associated with the terminology and code, in this case, diabetes mellitus. Another popular search for concepts is to provide a search term and while limiting the results. This has been a short presentation showing the direction we've been taking developer support and how quickly a developer can be onboarded.